Working on Linux or macOS and need to edit a profile shell configuration? These files customize your command line environment with aliases, functions, and variables. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these bash shell profile files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling profile files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. Profile files are shell configuration files used by bash and other Unix shells to customize command line environments. They contain shell commands, variable definitions, aliases, functions, and path modifications, executed when users log in establishing personalized terminal environments on Linux, macOS, and Unix systems. Profile files use shell scripting syntax with variable assignments using export commands, alias definitions, function declarations, conditional statements, and command executions. The format follows POSIX shell specification with bash-specific extensions when used with bash. Comments use hash symbols for documentation within the configuration script. The preferred application for managing the profile file is macromates textmate from macromates. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can sometimes show configuration files as text, but editing them requires caution. Your first step in unlocking the file: right-click the profile file and select Open With. Prioritize macromates textmate if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If your profile file will not open, do not worry. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in text editor. Edit profile files using terminal text editors like nanovim or Emacs by running nano profile from the command line. For graphical editing use, VS Code. Sublime Text or any text editor with appropriate sudo permissions for system-wide profiles in etc. profile location on the system. Next, applying changes. After editing profile files, apply changes to the current shell session by running source profile or by logging out and back in. The source command executes the profile script in the current shell, making variables, aliases, and functions immediately available without requiring a complete login session restart. Finally, troubleshooting profile issues. If profile changes cause shell startup errors, temporarily disable problematic lines by adding hash comments at the line beginning, then restart the shell. Use bash x profile to debug script execution, showing each command as it runs, helping identify the exact line causing configuration issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.